In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix mouse not showing in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are unable to see the movement of your mouse or the symbol of your mouse on Roblox, it's pretty simple. You need to go ahead and perform some troubleshooting. To do this, it's pretty simple. Just head over to your desktop and then click on this PC and then manage. This will take you to this file manager. Then from here, choose device manager, and here choose mice and other pointing devices. So if I click on this, now you can see we have our mouse here. Go ahead and just right click on it and then update drivers. Here choose automatically search for the latest, and this will be installed, and then close, and then head back to Roblox to see if the mouse is visible. If it is not, go ahead and remove or unplug your mouse from your CPU and then plug it back, and this should have fixed your issue. So that's how you can fix mouse not showing in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.